Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm opening some Happy Mail. This is perfect with the polka dots. It comes from my friend Jana. I will link her information down below. She has sent me a lovely spring/Easter swap. Now this one's had a little bit of trouble getting here. There was a little bit of a delay, but I'm actually glad to be able to unbox another surprise. It's spread out the love. I've had a couple of nice Happy Mail surprises lately, and it's nice to have them all dispersed so that I can see them at different times. So I'll just take everything out here. She's got some pages clipped together, these cute little carrots and Easter eggs. These are very different sort of Easter papers, not your traditional colors, but all the traditional sort of patterns and ideas. So I'll take everything out here. Oh, so I see she's actually crafted everything in these pages. Hop into spring. Beautiful little bows. That is very pretty. Some little music notes and polka dots. And she's got another one here. She's made these little pockets and filled it with ephemera, which are really very pretty. She's got little gems celebrating together. I love this bag topper die that she has that puts all the embossing and everything in as well. And then she's created another beautiful tie with a little tiny attacher staple on there. So that's very pretty. Can't resist pulling out the chocolate. Oh my goodness, that's cute. I just put my name on it. That bunny is adorable. And let's just peek out. What a great idea. That looks yummy. What a great idea to have this package. She's created her own little sleeve for it. Like, it just slips out and it's perfect. And it matches the theme with the rabbit holding a carrot and then the carrots inside. Very clever. Imported from Germany, edible green grass, green apple grass. I've never heard of anything like that. Isn't that interesting? We'll have to give that a try. I'm sure my kids will get a thrill out of this too. I'll have to share it with them. You can actually add it to a basket and then eat it, which is smart to save on all the packaging. You get the idea of the pretty effect of the shred, but it actually is edible. What an interesting concept. Some more carrots. Now, what are these made out of? So these, she's created these carrots out of foam, and she's actually inked the edges. I'm not sure if she's put these in herself or drawn that on or used some way to cut that. She must have done that as well. And then put little toppers, and then she's got the foam dots on the back, and she's packaged it beautifully with a little lamb and a little page flag there. And then there's a card which I will open and read off camera. Oh, there's so many things in here. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. Let's take a look. Look at that. Beautiful. Robin's eggs on an egg, and you can hang it. That's very, very pretty. And then there's a mug, and everything's all wrapped in polka dots. Done. It's so cute. I love bunnies and pumpkins. It's like, and they don't have to be like for their specific traditional holiday. They're just adorable. And the feel of this cup and the fact that it's got the painting different on the inside, this is so cute. So thank you for that. I really love that polka dot tissue paper. Okay, what else is in here? Let's go for a pocket letter. Okay, so I'll open that separately here. I'll take the other things out first. Okay, you guys, if you've noticed on my channel, I have a few unboxings of some Michael's grab bags. Well, I've got so much stuff from Easter, and I got so much stuff from Valentine's Day. I was like, do I really want to watch for the Easter grab bags? I'm like, no, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to collect more stuff to have to store until next year. As my girlfriend texted me yesterday and say, Tony, guess what? Grab bags, they're here. Come now. They just put them out. So, of course, I couldn't resist, and I went. And the reason why I'm telling you this is because one of these bags that I absolutely loved was I could see it in one of the grab bags. She got one, and I got one. So I'll be doing an unboxing video of that when I get a chance. I've got lots of things to unbox lately. I have a huge 31 order that I did for the fundraiser. It went so well that we have so much to do there. But it's cute. But anyway, so you can watch for that. But this bag reminded me, and I loved it. I thought, wow, that bag is spectacular. And now I have another one. So I'm happy for that. And this is a really cute little bag. Oh my goodness. Look at this fun little wreath type of headband on the bunny. And then in here, I spy some chocolates. Oh, lots of treats inside of here. Very nice. Look at all those different chocolates. So that's fun. Oh. Nougat cream crisp. I haven't seen that kind before. All these cute little... That's good. I think I've run out of chocolate, actually. So, good to replenish my stash. And what is this? Oh, it's like a... Oh, it's a permanent adhesive. Wow. I haven't seen this little type of container before. You can never have too much adhesive. Love that. Matches with this really well. All right. Now I'm going to open the pocket letter. So I actually made her a different kind of pocket letter when I sent hers to her because I didn't have these sleeves. I looked everywhere for them until finding out from her that they're actually not a scrapbooking specific thing. They're for holding like collector cards, baseball cards and things. Well, my son had some from his Pokemon card collection, and here I've been looking for them everywhere, and we had some in our house. So now I can make her, for our next swap, I can make her a genuine pocket letter. And I've been making quite a few pocket letters lately since now I have the materials, and people seem to love those videos. So I'll continue to make more. Okay, so I'm going to give you a really good view of all of the pages. Look at those chickadees. They're so cute. A little sparkle. Easter, thinking of you. Somebody loves you. She's fussy cut out all of these different images. Look at this one. Whoop! She's fussy cut out these little bunnies and birds. Sweet memory. Little banner across the top. Happy Easter. So this beautiful little old-fashioned dressed girl, very vintagey feeling. So you can see inside there she's gifted me some little tags, and on the back something fell out, these beautiful paper clips. I love paper clips. And some frames. Oh, she's die cut some bunnies for me. Oh, and she's gifted me some... Oh, so cute. She's gifted me some sparkly bunnies and some rhinestones. I can never get enough gems, so that's great. Some more ephemera. This beautiful little ribbon. And some sparkly washi or maybe sticky tape there. These are the most adorable thing. These little bunnies that are all popped up. They're 3D, and they've got these little cottontails. And again, I can never have too many embellishments like this. That's quite unique. I haven't seen anything like that. So here's everything all together. I love the theme that she's chosen to create this happy mail. It's so vintagey and fun, and some yummy treats for me to try. So thank you so much, Jana. I will take some pictures and post this video. I'll link everything down below to the happy mail that I created for her, as well as the channel for her Instagram. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again next time. Bye. I got so excited about this beautiful bunny bag, I didn't show you the lotion that was inside. So here's a picture of it here. And I read the card and realized that the chocolates that she sent were also very special. They are imported from Belgium. So that was a fun piece of information to include. I will definitely savor those. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys being here. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you. And we will see you again for more crafty inspiration next time.